Amethi Rahul Gautam got us the latest in Raebareli. Joining us is my colleague Abhishek Mishra. Rahul Gandhi Abhishek Mishra has, for the first time, is going to stay in Raebareli when the constituency is voting today. Earlier on, we've seen when Wayanad went to vote, Rahul Gandhi wasn't present in Wayanad. The last time around, when Amethi went to vote in 2019 or 2014, Rahul Gandhi wasn't present. This time, taking a cue from Akhilesh Yadav, he's decided to stay put in his constituency.
Absolutely, Preeti, and that is why, this election has become more interesting. How Rahul and also the Gandhi family and the Congress party has taken this very seriously for their presence in their bastions. And that is why, in the last rally where we also see a motion appeal from Sonia Gandhi, clearly mentioning to the voters and everyone that she is in a way giving her son to Raebareli, and that's what is the Congress party is now talking on the ground. Let me show you the visuals first. We're here at the Kendriya Vidyalaya, Raebareli, where currently the voting is underway. Dinesh Pratap Singh for the BJP will cast his vote at this particular center in a short while, and also Rahul Gandhi is expected to come Raebareli by 9:30. He will be coming here and at the same time having a look at the different polling stations and the situation on the ground. But what is very important is that the voter in Raebareli is talking about their core issues and what is important to them. Let us speak to some of them. Madam, आप क्या सोच के वोट करने वाले हैं? क्या मुद्दा है?
राष्ट्रहित है भैया, राष्ट्रहित, राष्ट्रहित।
सोच के अच्छा। रायबरेली में काम हुआ है आपको लगता है?
हाँ, हुआ है।
मैडम, आपको क्या लगता है, क्या सोच के आप वोट करने वाले हैं? क्या आपका मुद्दा रहेगा? क्या सोच रहे हैं?
एक तो सर सबसे ज्यादा तो रायबरेली में है, विकास तो बिल्कुल नहीं है, बेरोजगारी बहुत ज्यादा, लेडीज के लिए बिल्कुल कोई वर्क नहीं है यहाँ पर। इस चीज के लिए हम लोग वोट देने आए।
दिलचस्प हो गई राहुल गांधी की
बहुत अच्छे से बराबर की टक्कर है।
आपको भी लगता है बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लड़ाई हो रही है?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, हाँ बिल्कुल।
आपका एजेंडा क्या है? क्या आपका टॉपिक जिसको लेकर?
मेरा भी विकास का ही एजेंडा है। हाँ।
Women voters, Preeti, very openly talking about development issues, or unemployment they are talking, and they're also talking about the fact that this battle has indeed become interesting with Rahul Gandhi as a candidate from Raebareli, their own bastions. Now, what is also very important is that the Congress believes that it will also have implication in Amethi. We have seen Priyanka Gandhi been aggressively campaigning there, and at the same time, if Rahul Gandhi's presence in Raebareli and Priyanka Gandhi campaigning there, and KL Sharma who is indeed there, but the Congress party here and the cadre believes that these are the two seats where they will have to perform, and Rahul Gandhi's presence in Raebareli is also making it very interesting and at the same time important for them. They have given their words to the people. They have shown their sentiment. They have also spoken about how Raebareli is not just a seat but a relation of years and years, and that is why presence of Sonia Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and Rahul Gandhi has made this election interesting. But the BJP is eyeing this time Raebareli with Dinesh Pratap Singh, who is again in the fray, although he lost to Sonia Gandhi in 2019. But this time BJP is trying hard for Raebareli, and also Amethi where Smith is there. But Raebareli is indeed going to cast its vote again on the sentiment and also on their development issues which they are talking.
All right, we're going to get in more reactions very soon. We're going to cut across back to my colleague Abhishek Mishra joining us. But there's been a lot of political commentary at the back of Rahul Gandhi choosing to fight from Raebareli instead of Amethi. And ever since, we've seen a high-octane campaign in the seat of Raebareli. Listen in to all the political reactions, and we're back with our reporters.
साथियों, सपा कांग्रेस के शहजादों के लिए देश का विकास ऐसा है जैसे मोहल्ले में बच्चे वो गिल्ली डंडे के खेल करते हैं, ऐसा लगता है इनको। महलों में पैदा होने वाले इन शहजादों को ना मेहनत की आदत है और ना ही नतीजे लाने की। इसलिए कहते हैं देश का विकास अपने आप होगा, और कहते क्या है, विकास कैसे होगा? बोले खटाखट खटाखट। ये सोचते हैं भारत आत्मनिर्भर अपने आप बन जाएंगे। अरे कोई इनके दिमाग को भी जरा बता दो कब रायबरेली की जनता भी खटाखट 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 भेजेगी घर। अमेठी से गए, रायबरेली से भी जाएंगे। साथियों, देश चलाना सोने की चमच लेकर के पैदा हुए बच्चों का खेल नहीं है। आपसे नहीं हो पाएगा, क्योंकि 4 जून के बाद मोदी सरकार तो बनेगी ही बनेगी।
देश के चुनाव आयोग ने एक नियम बनाया है कि एक साथ आप 2 जगह से चुनाव लड़ सकते हो। इसमें कोई आपत्ति नहीं, कोई भी लड़ सकता है, मगर वायनाड का चुनाव समाप्त होने देना, वायनाड का सर्वे देखना कि वहां हारने का भय है, और उसके बाद में रायबरेली का निर्णय करना। वायनाड की जनता को आपको वोट देते वक्त बताना चाहिए था कि आप रायबरेली से भी लड़ने वाले हो, तो वायनाड की जनता उचित निर्णय कर पाती। उस वक्त आप मौन हो जाते हो, वायनाड का वोटिंग होने देते हो, और बाद में कहते हो नहीं अब तो हम रायबरेली से लड़ते हैं। मुझे लगता है कि ये ठीक नहीं है, उचित नहीं है। लोकतंत्र में ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए, पारदर्शिता रखनी चाहिए।
भाई और बहनों, मैं आपको अपना बेटा सौंप रही हूँ। जैसे आपने मुझे अपना माना, वैसे ही राहुल को अपना मान कर रखना है। ये राहुल आपको निराश नहीं करेंगे। भाई और बहनों, मैं आपको अपना बेटा सौंप रही हूँ।
Usually, political parties are very vocal on women issues. There's something happening at the back in Delhi, and you know what that is, where your own ally is concerned. Would you want to wade into that, or would you want to, like what most political parties do, not speak about it?
No, I don't either not want to speak about it, nor do I want to wade into it. The Aam Aadmi Party leadership, I'm sure, is handling it and understanding exactly what happened and what the accusations are. They're doing that. Wherever there is something.
All right, so that's Raebareli. Let's quickly now turn around to our election intelligence dashboard and focus on the seat of Raebareli. These are the 14 seats which are going up for vote in the 5th phase. Out of this, viewers, if you can see, it's been awash with saffron. There was only one blue blip in all of it, and this was Raebareli, which, of course, the Congress had won. Sonia Gandhi had won in 2019. Now, let's cut across to the seat of Raebareli to get a larger context there. And Sonia Gandhi had won from 56% against Dinesh Singh Pratap with 38% vote share. He narrowed the gap down. Dinesh Pratap Singh also contested against Sonia Gandhi in 2014. However, the point is the margin of victory was narrowing down. Who is Dinesh Pratap Singh? He's a turncoat from the Congress, joined the Bharatiya Janata Party, and now, of course, if you look at the historical context, of the seat of Raebareli, you can see the vote share of the Congress falling. So this is the seat share that we are showing you, and in the seat share, what you see is a decline of the Congress ever since 2004, and the vote share as well of the seat of Raebareli. We're going to keep getting our viewers the very latest, but let's quickly now cut across to the seat of Amethi, where Uttar Pradesh is concerned. Now, this was interesting because this saw a massive high-octane battle in the year 2019 between Rahul Gandhi, Smriti Irani, 2014, Rahul Gandhi, Smriti Irani. Many thought that this could be 3.0 for Rahul Gandhi and Smriti Irani, but Rahul Gandhi chose not to fight from the seat of Amethi, chose Raebareli, but this was the margin. Smriti Irani had won from a margin of about 50,000 votes with a vote share of 50%, with Rahul Gandhi standing at 44%.